Seriously.
Yes, I just going to start at the employment. So the எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா, so it's coming to the person and related to the compensation. So already related to the module wise, the transaction menu will be happen here, showing here. So and then employment. So employment, mostly I am going to managing the employment. What are the information I can managing that employment field. So always I go for the update button. Correct button means the existing data will be correct. There is no history of data.
Okay.
History of data will not saved into correction while doing the correction. But in while updating the data, history of data will be showing here. You can see in updating button. For example, so effective date. What the purpose of doing the effective from here? You can do something like. So I want to do something. I want to change the department. I want to do the change grades, change the location, demotions, something end the assignments and the end the promotion period and global transfer, and then for the job change, something to the location.
This action is created by us, right?
No, most of the action is already defined, but something these things are issuing now. What I'm seeing here, this is created by someone. So mostly on the 20 actions 20 actions already predefined, system is already defined, but you cannot change actions. It's a change a grade is change a grade, that things you cannot change here, but we can add the some number of transaction here. Action something like a global transfer, something the job change or location change. So if I clicking the location change, so I getting the reasons. What are the reasons you buying? Branch or anything. So if you're clicking here, you can navigate that place.
New branch. Okay, fine.
Okay, so you can see here what is the purpose of doing in this employment screen. Location change. So action recent is branch. So the history of data will be coming from today. So today onwards going to change. So what changes I should I do? Here I do only the location change. I never change a jobs. I never change a position.
Anything,
Yeah, I need to only change only the locations. The purpose of the history of data will be system is opened field. You can do any changes, but what the purpose of doing the actions? Always should be go the right way. Location change and go to change the location. So what are the location you're going to change? You can select here. I can click the appropriate search button. You can click here. You can search for example something. Something. So while searching that button, you're getting the list of location what is existing available. So you can find out here. So accordingly, you can just click it and map it. So in the recent color is just giving a save review button and submit the button. It's already served. The purpose of doing the transaction level. So it's not transaction level. So transfer the employee. Same like you going to transfer the employee.
doubt. One second, Bolan. One second. இப்போ நான் வந்து action வந்து location changeக்கான action எடுத்திருக்கேன். But by mistake, the end user is changing something else. Will the change be updated?
Change will be updated, but while you navigating the view history, you can see. Right. Good questions. So that's தெரியாம change பண்ணிட்டீங்க. Something, someone, not you, someone changed it. You can see that view history button. So you can see here what are the data created by who, what actions is done, what reason is done. So then only you can track it. Otherwise you cannot track it. What are the changes is be done against these actions. So இதுதான் நீங்க பார்க்க முடியும். So என்ன சிஸ்டம் சேவ் ஆயிரும். அதாவது Oracle they not any restriction. There is no restriction to
change different thing.
Yeah.
If suppose I tell change here action, change location, then I should only be able to change location. That is not the thing, right?
No.
எதுனாலும் மாத்திக்கலாம்.
ஆமா. that is this kind of இது நிறைய இருக்கு. நிறைய சில பக்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கு. அது சொல்ல முடியாது. SaaS environmentல because all
no that is why software only, but my thing is that இப்படி இருந்துச்சுனா என்ன end user
இருக்கு. actually நிறைய பேர் நான் கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறப்ப சொல்லுவாங்க. actually clientsே சொல்லுவாங்க. why this சில எல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு சில்லியா இருக்கும். அதாவது ஒரு ஃபைண்ட் பண்றதுக்கு இவ்வளவு காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடா இருக்கு. actually compared to workday பத்தி உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? workday ன்னு சாஃப்ட்வேர் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? இல்ல workdayன்றது workday கேள்விப்பட்டது இல்லையா? workday is a competitor of Oracle. So workday ன்னு இந்த கம்பெனி நெட்ல அப்புறம் போட்டு பாருங்க.
Yeah, I heard this somewhere. Yeah, correct.
This is now placing number 2 places and Oracle is number 1. But he started 2013 I think. 13 or 4. But he is from 2010 or 11 I think so. So இப்பல இருந்து இருக்காங்க. But they having only HRMS. இவங்க HRMS மட்டும் தான் பார்க்கறாங்க. But this company all modules.
Yeah, correct.
But UI is fantastic. Here UI என்னன்னு தெரியல உங்களுக்கு. user interfaces வந்து fantastic.
user interface, yeah.
So this is kind of இப்ப நான் பார்க்கறோம்ல இந்த மாதிரி complications இது மாதிரிலாம். இதெல்லாம் எதுவுமே இருக்காது. செம்மையா இருக்கும் ஓபனா சொல்லணும்னா. But why people are not going to workday means very less customers. Because so they hacked all the product. People software வாங்கிட்டாங்க Oracle.
நிறைய வாங்கிட்டாங்க.
சிபில் வாங்கிட்டாங்க. Then they are into EBS. So all these come to Oracle. Customers automatically going to the Oracle only. They are not willing to go to Workday. Workday is very graphically is very nice. That's things. But in future, I hope they're having some announcement. In future, same like Workday, they having some enhancement going to happen. Same every day is happening. Because Oracle is a big customers now, they having more than
they will correct
in the world more than compared to Workday, they having more than customers.
More customers.
So that's the reason I'm so this kind of so in my restriction la kadiyadu. So what kind of restriction? Then my promotion. So promotion, you know that what the reason same the work in the day screen la you can update that. We can choose the promotions. Same. What are the information?
Action la promotion is already should be there. Yeah,
yes,
correct.
Yeah. Idella வந்து already இருக்குது. Termination is coming to
termination.
Different. Yes. Termination is not coming here. Termination is coming. Different topic is there. If you're clicking here, you can see the work relationship.
Okay.
Okay, wow. Work relationship இங்க edit ஒரு பட்டன் வரும். இது வந்து enable இல்ல. I getting tomorrow. Okay. So editing ஒரு பட்டன் இருக்கும். அதை click பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் you going to the ending the assignment. So termination, you know that the termination is concept of
employee அதாவது person management ல you get hire employee, transfer an employee and promotion.
Yes, perfect. So உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்ல yeah உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்ல termination now what's the termination your thing
the relationship ends, correct?
Yeah, but suddenly what do you think termination means? What is resignation?
Resignation is a person resigning, right? Yeah, termination is to terminate you from the job. That's
but you feel like that, but Oracle having different methodology. Both are same in Oracle. Terminate means termination means resignation. While clicking the termination, you having some actions, resignation or termination. Same will be termination.
Okay.
Something reasons
contract
action.
end.
Yes,
something like that.
Something action reason what career prospect. So something you can accordingly there you can set.
Poor performance.
Poor performance. Something you can set.
Okay.
இந்த ரீசன்காக தான் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. சோ இதுதான் வந்து டெர்மினேஷன்ல நடக்கிற பாயிண்ட்ஸ். So இந்த termination edit button வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு நாளைக்கு enable ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன். Then means is coming to the
rehire is also employee relationship la varum, correct?
Yes. Rehire பத்தி உங்களுக்கு subject knowledge இருக்கா? Then what is rehire you are thinking? What is rehiring you are thinking?
After the contract gets ended, and then you are again processing the person. That is what it is, isn't it?
Okay. Something is correct, but it's not correct. Just I'm explaining you. நீங்க ஒரு கம்பெனில ஒர்க் பண்றீங்க. If you're working in X company, from 2015 to 2019, then you're left. You're resigned properly. Left. Again, you are rejoining same company in 2022. But when you're joining, you're the existing employee of this company, but you're left on 2019. What they find out, your employee ID is there, E001, it's your employee ID. So they easily find out your ID because you're having some authentication of a person.
Correct.
Like a ID card, something. So they can find out. Just you can type the actions rehire. They can change as your active as inactive to active. So inactive இருப்பீங்க நீங்க இப்ப active பண்ணி விட்டுருவாங்க to active. So all information, so what are the information you already existing irko, so you can
that
use,
all will come.
You can continue. So continue to be continue. So that the reason is rehiring is mostly happening here. So India la வந்து rehiring concept all illa. India la having some less only, but I have by in European country having more rehiring. So European countries mostly irukku, but
might
India
be on a higher positions will change.
Yes,
but they rehire, that shouldn't
less.
be a
India la
problem.
very less, but rehiring European countries அதிகமா இருக்கு. இதுதான் rehiring concept. So rehiring concept இதுதான் actions manage employment la rehiring பண்ணுவாங்க. இதுதான் இந்த கான்செப்ட் தான். So
இது எங்க போவோம்? இதுவும் work relationship.
Work relationship editல வரும். Work relationship is nothing but it's related to the employee.
Can you tell me 1 second? இந்த இதுக்கு where are you going? Can you show me the screen?
Clicking here.
Okay.
We can see according the module.
This is the end user screen, right?
End user screen. HR screen.
So idla employment HR screen. Idla employment will give you transfer, promotion, and one more
all the things. All the things. Demotion, promotion, transfer.
Work relationship is for termination and rehire.
Yes. So work relationship, you need to first ending the work relationship. Work relationship enna in the employee this is the employee, you are the employee, but company is the employer. What's the relationship between the employee and the employee? This is called work relationship. So what are the relationship be happen here? Like what are the relationship be happen? What are the information will be passed out here? That's the reason is work relationship be created.
Okay, fine, understood.
So and the information kaga da use பண்றாங்க. Okay.
Only thing is termination also termination, resignation is also resignation.
Yes,
you have to use the action to do the thing. So you will show me the screen how it is, right?
Yes. So editing button I enable பண்ணிட்டு நான் பண்ணி தரேன். So உங்களுக்கு இன்னைக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா other than this?
Just நீங்க இந்த Excel மேல போங்க. Okay, fine. So இப்போ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சபடி I mean what I understood is that first of all, anything you will manage the geographics. And most of the geographies are created already. I mean, there is, if it is already an existing system, it will all be there.
Yes.
Right? After enterprise structure configuration, adukapro enterprise HCM information, after data sets. Data sets la varumbodhu நம்ம வந்து first locations, after divisions, after legal address, இதே orderல தான் we will create.
Sure.
Yeah. So இதுல mappings between what and what will happen. Grade rates and grade ladders are mapped with grades, correct?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, fine.
So all the things, what are the things you have created here? The things are used here. Hire the employee. When hiring the employee, you can use these things. These are objects.
Yeah, that is understood. Fine. But my only thing is that which to which it is always mapped. Grade rates and grade ladders are mapped to grades, correct?
No.
And department trees to department. Is it like that mapping happens?
No.
Or like anywhere you can map anything?
No.
Once you create, it can be mapped.
Yes. First you need to create the grade. you know how to create the grades. I think
Yeah, correct.
so we
Yeah,
need to first
we
create
learned
the rates and ladder. First need to create the things based upon the company policy. Some clients are using only grades. They never used for rates and ladders. So
ladders, I think I remember you telling that in a grade there will be two
yes,
subgrades. So salary adukku taknapla maadum, correct?
Mid-range, midpoint and low point and low point and high point. Yeah. So managing his job. The positionல தான் வந்து நீங்க கிரியேட் பண்ண எல்லாத்தையும் மேப் பண்ணுவீங்க. மேப்பிங் வந்து இங்க பண்ணுவீங்க பொசிஷன்ல. அது ஓகே தானே உங்களுக்கு? இது பொசிஷன் உங்களுக்கு புரியுதுல? இந்த என்னெல்லாம் கிரியேட் பண்ணீங்களோ இங்க இது எல்லாத்தையும் இங்க மேப்பிங் பண்ணுவீங்க. சோ மேப்பிங் வந்து
பொசிஷனோட மேப் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே ஃபைன்.
பொசிஷன் வந்து மேப்பிங் பண்றது வந்து கம்பெனியோட டிசிஷனை பொறுத்து தான். அதாவது கஸ்டமரோட டிசிஷனை பொறுத்து தான். Some companies are never go for position. Some companies are map to position. So it's happen.
And anytime when you do action, before action, you have to create action reason also.
Yes. First you need to create action reason, then you need to map to action.
Then only action will come.
Yes.
So action reason will be mapped with action.
Yeah. So நீங்க வந்து implementation
without any action reason, we will not do any action.
Yeah.
This is what I remember.
Perfect. So while you're doing practicing after 2 months, you can go this way. So in the way நீங்க போயிட்டீங்கன்னா you getting good results. You getting while hiring the employee, you get all the results. If you have missed out anything, you cannot get the data correctly. Again, you need to navigate the menu. So all of the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, the 24 steps நீங்க ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். பட் ரியல் டைம்ல வந்து சில ஸ்டெப்ஸ் தேவையில்லை. ஸோ பேஸ்ட் அப்பான் கம்பெனியோட இதை பொறுத்து. பட் இதுதான் காமனா இந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் படி தான் நடக்குது இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன். டிரான்சாக்ஷன் எண்ட் யூசர் மோஸ்ட்லி நம்ம வந்து இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன் இருக்கிற எண்ட் யூசர் போக மாட்டாங்க. இதை வந்து யூஐடி டீம் பார்த்துப்பாங்க. ஸோ நீங்க எல்லாம் உங்களோட ஒர்க் வந்து இதோட முடிஞ்சிடும். தட் மீன்ஸ் யுவர் டாஸ்க் வில் பி கம்ப்ளீட்டட் ஹியர். The UID team only testing that your what are the implementation you have done before. The UID team will be taking care of that.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow I will start the terminate. Explain that.
And lookups.
Then go for payroll.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Is okay na ungalku? Perfect.
Okay. It's fine. This is fine.
Yeah. Okay, Priya. Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you so much. But tomorrow will be 8 to 9. That means.
No, I can before maximum 7:45
ஒரு half an hour before ஆது எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க.
கண்டிப்பா சொல்றேன். இல்ல because I have எனக்கு work இருந்துச்சு. நான் work சீக்கிரம் முடிச்சிட்டு தான் உங்களுக்கு இப்ப கிளாஸ் எடுத்துறேன். ஏன்னா லாஸ்ட் ஒரு 2 days மிஸ் ஆயிருச்சுல. So that's the reason I have some policies is there. Okay, I will.
No. That is not a problem. You tell me minimum half an hour before.
Sure.
So that I can join. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thanks. Bye. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.